Major longitudes. Number 1. Prime meridian, Greenwich. The 0 degree longitude that passes through Greenwich in England is known as prime meridian. It divides the earth into two vertical halves, eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. It has longitudes extending up to 180 degree on both eastern and western sides. Since it passes through Greenwich, it is generally referred to as the prime meridian as well. Students, the 0 degree longitudinal line passing through the Greenwich suburb of London of England is called as Greenwich line. It divides the earth into two parts, that is eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere. This Greenwich line or the 0 degree line is also known as prime meridian. The area to the right of the 0 degree longitude Greenwich line up to 180 degree longitudes is the eastern hemisphere, and the area to its left from 0 degree to 180 degree longitude is the western hemisphere. Students, let's solve the table given in your textbook in which we have to mention eastern countries and western countries. Let's start with eastern countries. Continent Asia, Japan, China, India, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Eastern Russia, Iran, Iraq, Afghanistan, etc. Countries in Africa: Libya, Egypt, Sudan, Zaire, Ethiopia, Kenya, Tanzania, South Africa, Zambia, etc. Australia, New Zealand, then few countries of Europe: Norway, Sweden, Finland, Germany, Poland, Italy, Austria, Denmark, Ukraine, etc. Western countries: Africa, Morocco, Western Sahara, Mauritania, Senegal, Liberia, Ivory Coast, etc. North America: USA, Canada, Mexico, Alaska, Greenland, West Indies, Panama, etc. In South America: Brazil, Venezuela, Colombia, Peru, Bolivia, Chile, Argentina, Suriname, etc. Number 2. International dateline. There is only one 180-degree longitude which is known as the international dateline. When one crosses this line, the day and the date changes. The international dateline passes through the Pacific Ocean and separates two calendar dates. It is not exactly 180 degree at all places since the line crisscrosses across several time zones. This is because if it is drawn straight, then the line has to pass through many islands, and due to this, they might have 2 days and 2 dates on the same island. This might create confusion. Therefore, the line, when it passes over land, is shifted towards water bodies, and so it is not straight but zigzag. Students, the 180-degree longitude is called international dateline. It is only one longitude. While crossing this line from east to west, date and the date are put ahead by 1 day. Similarly, while crossing this line from west to east, the date and the day have to be separated by 1 day. So, date and day are changed when it is crossed. It passes over the Pacific Ocean. There are many islands in this ocean. If the international date line is drawn straight, it will pass through on these islands. So there would be 2 dates and 2 days on the same day on all these islands. To avoid this problem, the international date line is so drawn that it is shifted over the sea only and does not pass through any island. This is why the international date line is zigzag. Activity: the eastern hemisphere is to the east of the 0 degree longitude and the western hemisphere is to its west. Keeping this in mind, using a map, find out the longitudinal coordinates of India. Also fill up the table for the other countries.